5-gang rocker switch aluminum panel with DIY stickers and night glow stickers. Can customize these switches as your demands to remind you while using with pre-wired wiring harness for you to easily install in both 12 volts and 24 volts vehicles. Wide application. Universal for all cars, RVs, cans, motorcycles, buses, boats, trailers, jeeps, UTV etc. Panel size. The aluminum panel dimension length x width x high. Quality assurance. Made of strengthened aluminum panel and well-conductive pins ensure long-lasting durability, highly optimized for general use and will give you a pleasant experience. Package include 1x pre-wired 5-gang switch panel, 1x screw sets, 2 set of DIY stickers. Top reviews from the United States. Really looks neat and clean. Replaced complete switch panel on my Jeep dash with this. Had to do trimming on my dash cover, but after that it looks like it was factory made for it. Works flawlessly, easy to wire, but you'll need space behind switches for wires, and of course all wiring needs to go through relays for devices. Good selection of labeled decals and are working well, but as a precaution I added my own glue to them for permanent attachment. Love the blue lights and have had dozens of compliments on how they work and the overall look of the install. I highly recommend these switches and mounting panel.